Hello, David here from Grunt 4x4. Today we're going to show you how to fit a set of slow down, easy up struts for a Ford Ranger 4x4. Why do we want to fit a set of these? Ease of use, and most importantly, safety. Now I'm going to show you how to install the strut. Firstly, temporarily remove cable from the tailgate. Then you want to remove the bolt on the body and replace this with the top strut bolt, remembering to keep the cable attached. Ensuring the cable is clear of the strut. Then reattach the cable to the tailgate. Then removing the bolt nearest the body, attach the bracket. You may have to pull the shocker down a little bit, making sure that it's square with the original mounting bracket on the tray. Remember, we are keeping the cable in place as well. Repeat the process on the passenger side of the vehicle for the easy up strut. Once you've completed the tightening process, remove the strut spacer from the easy up strut.